Morning, everybody. So I'm up trying to be more consistent and trying to utilize my more hours in a day, time management. I do have to go to work today at 2 o'clock, but I'm up. I'm tired of sitting here contemplating, procrastinating. The goal is to be more consistent and more productive. And so let's get to it. I've already done my makeup. Not sure if I like it. I need to get some new makeup. I just really don't wear makeup on a daily basis, but I do like makeup. But I think it looks okay. I think maybe it's the lighting. I'm not sure because I looked in a different, I have a mirror over here too. So I looked in it. It still looks good. I need to see it in the sunlight. But yeah, I just did it because I just want to get more serious with my content. I want to upgrade my content. I'm going to do a few, sorry, I need to look at the lens. Wow. I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings and just like a before and after because I am turning a space in my home into my YouTube studio. That's going to help me to be more consistent because I spend too much time, placing the lighting and up and down, trying to find, the perfect spot, set up, all of that stuff. So, yeah, I'm going to be dedicating a space in my home to my YouTube studio just in hopes of becoming more consistent, okay? I'm just doing a few different checks on camera just to kind of check out my freaking makeup. Like, So, I think it's okay. I mean, yeah, not enough to stop this flow because I'm not playing no mo. Like, comment down below. Have you, how many of you out there have started or attempted to start a page and you're telling yourself, yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go this time. And then just for whatever reason, you don't remain consistent, whether it be life, whether it be one of your bad habits, a mixture of both. Comment down below if you're going through those same struggles. Like maybe we can be each other's accountability partner, and we can hold each other accountable because I'm trying to get serious about this thing, yo. Like I love my people that I have subscribed to. I'm going to continue to watch you guys, but it's just like, after a while you're like, dang, I can do this too, and the people that I follow, they're so encouraging. Like, that's what they're telling. They're like, what are you waiting on, girl? So, here I am. But yeah, let's get to the rest of the video. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm working with. This is what my front room is looking like right now and my dining room. And I haven't decided just yet where I'm going to put my YouTube setup. And yeah, so I'm just giving you guys a quick visual of that. And then I'll show you what I came up with. So right now I am on the way to the store. I need to pick up a few things from 7-Eleven and also go to the ATM. I do have to be to work at 2 o'clock. So I'm just going to show you the setup that I have right now, prepping for me trying to attempt to batch some content. So yeah, right now I have everything together, a few outfits picked out, also the shoes that I'm going to be wearing. Right now, I actually have 5 pairs picked out, but I have some over-the-knee boots that need to be lint rolled. And then here's the stuff for the Instagram video. Here's the stuff for the unboxing. And then I have some extra jewelry up here just in case. And then I have my little storage bag up here with all my accessories like purses, any sunglasses, socks, things like that. So yeah, I'm prepared for one of these videos and now I'm just gonna walk to the store. Okay, everybody, so I'm back from the store and I just wanted to show you my beautiful little girl. This is Jade. She looks like a black cat, but she is actually a tuxedo cat. She just doesn't have all of her markings. All she has is the bow tie and the cummerbund. But she's the nicest kitty you'll ever meet. She never scratches or bites, and she just loves human interaction and loves to get loved on. So I'm not sure what happened to the footage of me unboxing this setup that you see. I must have lost it and I do apologize, but this is the setup. I decided to go ahead and put the backdrop in my front room so that I can utilize natural light whenever it's available. So if you follow me on Facebook, you have seen me do reels with these outfits, and this is what it looks like behind the scenes. So before editing, this is what I do. I try on every outfit, literally every single outfit. I do a bunch of different takes, a bunch of different poses, just so I can have a bunch of different options. The key is to not be limited during your editing process, because you may have a vision in your head or even down on paper, but once you sit down and start editing, things could look different. So you want to have a bunch of clips in your arsenal to use, just so that you can meet the aesthetic that you're looking for. I honestly love doing this, and I am in the process of moving, and I am also in the process of actively taking the steps to better my mental health. I have been battling with some depression, some anxiety, and some PTSD, and I have gotten some intervention for that, and I'm just excited to start back feeling like myself again and get back to doing what I love. And I hope you guys just really appreciate this content, and I'm going to insert some results of what it looks like after I edit things up. And like I said, if you follow me on Facebook, you'll be able to see these reels, and I am going to get back on it, you guys. And peace, love, and prosperity. And stay tuned to the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.